welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Priya Saraf, and in this video I'm taking you through a week of my college assignments. So I went through my Notion looking at my weekly schedule, because honestly if I don't plan I panic, and that also makes me feel like I might have my life together, at least a little. I also like starting my week with a little scroll through Pinterest, just to get the vibe right. It makes me feel a bit more motivated to take on the week. Okay, so day 1, my assignment of IFRS was divided in 2 days, day 1 and day 2, to conduct everyone's assignment. So the assignment was GD, which I thought was group discussion, so I was prepared for the day 1 with my discussion topics. But on day 1 I got to know it wasn't group discussion, it was group debate, and then I felt lucky that my assignment wasn't conducted that day because I get a day to prepare. I then just went through all the topics in the evening for the debate, and since ma'am gave my friends pretty easy topics, I was quite confident about my assignment, because on the day 1 when others debate were going on, I could think of points in my head for the topic and against the topic for all the 4 groups. But I am not that lucky, guys. For me, I got such a bad topic, which was insurance company ads manipulate people, and I got the worst side of the debate, which was for the topic, and I was the one who spoke, and one more girl from my team. We both spoke for a long time, and other team members were just not speaking anything, which was also kind of putting the other team in dominance, because it was kind of easy to speak against the given topic. But since ma'am said that participating would give us good marks, I came up with few points and keep repeating them. I was so upset that day for my performance, but it's fine because the topic wasn't that easy. Welcome to day 3. I had my German and MLCET test that day. This is me revising both the subjects in the morning with a cup of coffee. Both the tests went good. German was moderate, not that hard, not that easy. MLCET was more easy because most of the questions were based on general knowledge and common sense. So MLCET went so good. And we are done with day 3. Hey, so on day 4 we had another MLCET test, which went great, and our IC ma'am gave us a case study as an assignment, so this is me reading it. On day 5 and day 6 I was writing the answers of the case study assignment. Finally, day 7, the last day of assignment week, we had an IC test, which was a little hard, but never mind, at least I'm done with all my assignments now. So this was my assignment week. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have my SEM soon, so I'll see you in the next video with my study prep for the exam.